Have you ever misplaced your wallet or seen a suspicious charge on your Venmo account and wished you could instantly protect your money? It's a scary thought, right? The good news is, you can. Venmo gives you the power to freeze or lock your debit card with just a few taps on your phone. It's a crucial security feature that everyone with a Venmo card should know how to use. Whether you've genuinely lost your card, you're just being cautious after a night out, or you've spotted an unauthorized transaction, this simple action can prevent a major headache. So, let's walk through how to do it. First, open your Venmo app. Tap on the Cards tab at the bottom of the screen. It's the one that looks like a little credit card. This will take you to a page displaying your Venmo debit card details. Look for the Freeze Debit Card option. It's usually a toggle switch or a button right there on the screen. Give it a tap. You'll get a confirmation message asking if you're sure you want to freeze your card. Tap Confirm or Yes. And just like that, your card is frozen. Any new purchase attempts will be declined, giving you peace of mind and time to figure out what's going on. The best part? Freezing the card doesn't affect your Venmo account balance or the ability to send and receive money within the app. It only stops transactions made with the physical debit card. Now, what if you find your card again or resolve the issue? Unfreezing it is just as easy. Simply go back to the same Cards tab in the app, and you'll see the same toggle switch. Tap it again to unfreeze your card. You'll get another confirmation, and once you accept, your card will be ready to use again. It's that simple. Knowing how to use this feature is your first line of defense against card fraud and loss. With that said, thanks for watching and until next time.